Hi, I'm Louis from Smart Life, and I'd like to invite you to join us on a free workshop. And in just 4 hours, you can design a smart life journey so you can make sure that you live to your full potential. Have you ever felt overwhelmed when it comes to achieving a successful life? I'd like to introduce you to the Smart Life concept of personal growth, spiritual growth, and business growth. The S stands for self awareness, the M for mindset, the A for action, the R for resilience, and the T for transformation. And this is a biblical based foundation course where it's based on Matthew 6:21, which says, "There where your treasure lies, there your heart will also be." And what it means is what's really important to us, that we shall go after. So I'd like to invite you to join us to start to understand what happens to us, what happens in us, and what happens from us, and really live to your full potential.